Hi, welcome to Lana's Yobillos. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make this easy blouse. Let's go with a step by step. To make the blouse we need 400 grams of this yarn. The recommended needle is 4 mm, a 4 mm crochet hook, 2 stitch markers, and scissors. We start the blouse from the neck and we have to make a chain of 140 stitches. We have to make 140 chains. Once we made the chain, we have to join with a slip stitch with the first chain. Be sure that you are not twisting the chain. Start with chain 3 and we have to make 1 double crochet on each chain. We have to make 140 double crochet. 1 double crochet on each chain. Once we finish the row of double crochet, we have to make a slip stitch with the third chain. 1 slip stitch to close this row. Start the next row with chain 3 and we have to make 5 double crochet. We have to make 5 double crochet. And here we have to make 1 increase. Remember, to make 1 increase you have to make 2 double crochet on the same space. And repeat the same 5 double crochet and 1 increase to the end of the row. We close with a slip stitch with the third chain and we finish the second row, the row with increases. And now from the row number 3 to the row number 5 we have to make 1 double crochet on each double crochet. 1 double crochet on each double crochet. So we start with chain 3 and we have to make 1 double crochet on each double crochet. Remember to close each row with a slip stitch on the third chain, and we have to make 3 rows of 1 double crochet on each double crochet. Now we are going to separate the part of the sleeves from the part of the body. We have to divide the yoke on 4 parts. And place one stitch marker taking both sides of the blouse to mark the separation of the sleeves from the body. And from the markers to the corner is the part of the sleeves, and from the markers to the center is the part of the body. We have to start with chain 3 and turn, and we have to make from this marker to the other marker 1 double crochet on each double crochet. We have to make 1 row of 1 double crochet on each double crochet. Once we are at the first marker, we have to turn, we have to chain 3, turn, and now we have to start making the V stitch. Skip 1 stitch, and on the next stitch we have to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet on the same space. We made 1 V. Skip 1 stitch, skip 1 space, and on the next double crochet we have to make a back post double crochet. 1 back post double crochet. Skip 1 stitch and make another V. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet on the same space. We made the second V, and now we have to repeat the back post double crochet. And this is what we have to repeat to the end of the row. We have to start the next row with chain 3 and turn. Where we have a V on the previous row, we have to make a V, but in this case we have to make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet on the same space. Continue with 1 front post double crochet, to keep the direction of this line of double crochet, and continue on the next V. We have to make again a V of 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet. Continue with 1 front post double crochet, and we have to repeat the same the V and the front post double crochet to the end of the row. Once we have the second row with V stitches, we have to cut the yarn. And now we have to repeat the same that we made on these 3 rows, but on the other side of the body. The row of double crochet, the first row with the V stitch with 1 double crochet, and the third row with the V stitch with 2 double crochet. Once we have both parts of the body, we have to connect now both parts. We have to join both parts. We have to make now 1 slip stitch with the last stitch that we made on the other side, and now we have to chain 3, and we have to make on the V stitch, we have to make a V stitch also in this row with 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Continue with a back post double crochet, and again 1 V stitch with 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. And the back post double crochet, we have to repeat the same to the end of this side. Now once we finished this side of the body, we have to join with the other side of the body. We have to make a back post double crochet, but taking the last double crochet of this row with the first double crochet on the other side. We have to make one back post double crochet, taking both double crochet, and we joined both parts on the other side, and continue with the V stitch and the back post double crochet to the end of the row. And now from this row we have to work in the round. We have to chain 3, and on the V stitch we have to make a V stitch, but in this case we have to make 3 double crochet, chain 1, and on the same space 3 double crochet. We have to make the V stitch of 3 double crochet. Make the back post double crochet, and repeat the V stitch with 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet, and we have to repeat the same to the end of the row. We have to repeat this row to have 27 more rows. Remember the V on the V stitch of 3 double crochet on the V stitch, and the back post double crochet on the back post double crochet. And here you can see the blouse finished. Here you can see the part of the yoke, and then the part of the V stitch and the back post double crochet. If you want to make a bigger blouse, you can increase the stitches of the blouse, you can increase the number of stitches of the V stitch, you can continue making 4 stitches on each side of the V, and you can also make more rows to get the blouse larger. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember to give a like, share and subscribe to receive our new videos.